Okay, today is Friday, June 25th. Lori's just wheeling around, handling inventory and orders. Honestly, feels like I just sat down. It's end of the week already. A lot happened this week. A lot of deliberating, a lot of planning. What else did we go through? And a lot of build progress. So I will show you guys a bit of build progress this week. I did film a little bit Monday, Tuesday. I'll catch up on the rest today. Okay, so where are we going to start? Let's introduce you to the new bus. Look at that thing. That might fall. This is our new bus. It is, well, let's just see here. So that's a 2008 Bluebird. It is a flat nose, oh, sorry Lori. Flat nose mid-mount engine. I'm not sure if you guys could hear the dialogue there, but this blue stuff, what is it? This blue skin stuff is a bit of a...
Only when it wants to stick to itself.
Moving down the bus, we've got some cargo bays. So those are huge. All right, those are massive. Moving to the back, more cargo bays. Even more storage. More storage and more storage. So this is roughly a 40-foot bus, bumper to bumper, about 300 to 350 square feet inside when it's all done. Okay, let's talk a little bit about this bus's client. So his name is Ben. He is from out east, Ontario region. He is just wrapping up a policing career, getting ready to retire. So Ben shared that he was injured in the line of duty. So he's been rehabbing the last couple of years, getting back to full health. We're actually putting a workout machine in that bus. Well, we're not, but we're setting it up for one. There will be a workout machine eventually. That's gonna be mounted on a super cool brick wall. I think that's all I'll share about Ben right now. That's about all I know. Seems like a super great client. Excited to get to know him more, and this is gonna be a wicked project.
Well, it seems that flip-up's coming off of the cabinet, sorry. Coming off the cabinet instead of the wall then?
The flip up, so the flip up will come off the wall. On the one side, the long one,
but there's another
below the windows. The other one will be level with counter. Yeah. Okay, so that was just Christian asking about Ben's bus here. We're finalizing layout. Renders should be done mid next week, and then we're rocking on this bus. So, speaking of renders, I think we'll show those off right now. Okay, so we have our renders. Now, I want to point out these are not finalized yet. First draft, if you will. Ben's going to be checking these out. The client hasn't even seen these yet. So Ben's going to be checking these out probably this weekend, and then we'll be finalizing Monday to Wednesday next week. So, render number one. We got a nice full view. You guys see that? We've got a wood burning stove, entertainment area. This has to change still. Couch turns into a bed. What else am I looking at? Kitchen back there. That's about it for that one. Okay, next up, we've got a kitchen view. So a couple changes here still. Changing up that brick to a stainless option. See how Ben likes that. This flip up will actually go to counter height. That's that one. Other kitchen side. Look at that. First of all, loving the charcoal in this build. So again, that's gonna be stainless. Well, that's about it so far. Okay, bathroom. So we got a shower. That's an aluminum shower with a vinyl wrap. We've got our vanity, vessel sink. We got to add a couple shelves up there. Mirror. Other side of the bathroom, we got our toilet. That's gonna be a composting toilet. Wardrobe, storage, whatever you want. And lastly, bedroom. So, same dark theme. We've got utilities under the bed, a couple shelves, beautiful roof, nice big Endy mattress. I believe that's a queen going in this build. And yes, we have put a king, California king, in a bus. Okay, the only other thing I'm gonna show you guys here, I didn't really touch on this roof. Take a look at that. So that is gonna be pine ton and groove with, kind of stain are we gonna be rocking there? I think it's a provincial stain by Minwax. Don't quote me on that. Okay, what else did we work on this week? Oh, rivet removal sucks. John is currently punching out the rivets and it's way too... Sorry, I heard rivet removal. So rivet removal sucks. I think it sucks for everyone. It's a lot of pounding on the ears all day long. Poor John was stuck on the air chisel. That's about all I have to say about rivets. They suck. We prefer Thomas bodies, lots of screws instead. But John made quick work, and now we're on to the installs. For the last part of this week, Frank is running away. Frank's running away right now. Him, Christian, Cole, they had a lot of deliberation this week. Lori and I worked on a lot of stuff for inventory in the office. What else were you working on, Lori?
Ordering inventory. Days fly by, I have no idea what I do.
So basically, it's already Friday. We all had important jobs. We just don't remember what we did all week. I guess now might be a good time to talk a little about the company. Obviously, we are going through a lot of growth. We've got lots of builds lined up. Our team's been expanding. We're up to 9 team members. That's terrifying. But an absolute blast as well. We've had kind of a unique opportunity to grow together. Obviously, we're a young, small business. We've got big dreams and all of our guys are buying in. So we all get to contribute ideas. We get to argue about ideas. Keeps the work week interesting. Just some more deliberation on the week. Days that are spent sitting there thinking about an idea or different decisions, those are easily the most stressful and absolutely fry your brain. So really appreciate those guys. I really appreciate all the guys, all the thinking that goes into developing a new business and growing at the rate we are. It's not easy.